This is the best gaming PC build under $1,000, updated for July 2025. We're starting with the Ryzen 5 7600X. It boosts up to 5.3 GHz and gives smooth performance in both gaming and multitasking. For the motherboard, we're using the MSI B650M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. It supports DDR5 memory and the latest AMD Ryzen processors, so you're set for future upgrades. The graphics card is the Radeon RX 9060 XT with 16 GB of VRAM. It handles 1080p Ultra settings with ease, and even delivers great results at 1440p. We've added 32 GB of T-Force Delta RGB RAM, running at 6000 MHz, fast, stable, and perfect for heavy multitasking or streaming. For storage, we're going with a 1TB Clev Kraz C910 Gen 4 SSD. Fast load times and zero slowdowns. Cooling is handled by the Thermalright Assassin X120 SE, reliable, quiet, and efficient.